Hey ladies, how you going? Now it's time to set up your automation for your Instagram training. I'd just like to congratulate everybody for taking positive action and moving forward, either by stumbling blocks or stepping stones. Doesn't matter, you're moving forward, you're doing things, you're going really well. Today we're going to get into a little bit of techie stuff, but I intend to walk you slowly through it. To get the automation started for your Instagram account so that you get leads on autopilot. Now, first of all, we actually need to go to GetResponse. If you're not using GetResponse, you'll probably know the steps in Aweber. Now, what we want to do first is create a new campaign. Let's call the campaign. We want to try and keep everything as standardized as we can. So this one's going to be Instagram lead page 1. Let's create the campaign. Now we want to add created, and you might have done this already because you need to actually have your messages in the autoresponder. So if you've done that already, I don't think Jenny had done it, I'm in Jenny's account, then we'll be connecting it to that one, to that. So if you create a new web form, and when you're creating a new web form, just make sure that the list that you want to create this web form is actually showing up here in your current campaign. See that there? We're going to put Instagram lead page 1 for Jenny. Now on here we can get rid of the header, get rid of the footer, get rid of the name, get rid of the privacy, and get rid of the powered by. And just have this here. Then go to the next step. And our custom thank you page is going to be your opportunity. So if you're using Mobe, it'll be to Mobe's video sales page. With Jenny, we're just going to put her need a VA in, just as an example. Okay, now also, we'll just save that. Also here we've got, see it's got confirmed opt-in turned off. We can go to campaign settings. Once you're in here, you want to go down to permissions and unclick all of these. And that saves automatically. And let's go back to the web forms. And I'm going to edit this one. Settings here. Now see we've got confirmed opt-ins off. Right here we are also going to call this lead page 1. Save the web form. Go to the next step. And we won't be using this until we set up our lead capture page, but we want to go to show HTML code and turn the include CSS style off. Now if you like, you can copy this form code here, make sure you get all of it, and you can pop that into a notepad document, and that way if you get kicked out of GetResponse it won't matter. Okay, now let's go into lead pages. Excuse me, I was working on this before. Okay, so log into your lead pages, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a new lead page. I've created one here, and so it's lead page 1. No, sorry, lead page Instagram 1, same as we did before. And what I did was I went to the, I'll show you which template this is. It's really good if you just use a straightforward template. It's this video squeeze page here. Okay, so I'll just go back to the one I started. It wakes up. And I'll edit that. Okay. Okay, let me just, I want to show you from scratch, so let's delete this. Okay, I'll go back to templates. Down to the one we were choosing. Must have gone past it. Here it is. And it's because there was one in the way. Use this template. Okay. Now, what I'd like to do first is to actually name the page. So it's going to be called Lead Page Instagram 1 because this is our first Instagram project we're doing. Alright, here we can hide that. You can pop your phone number in if you like. It's just a matter of clicking in there and whatever that is. Now, our headline, we want to just say thank you and welcome. Okay, now these icons, you can hide them because they're just a distraction. We don't want to distract people. The video. Here we want to paste the video embed code here from your media provider. So we're going to Jenny Jordan's video. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see underneath the subscribe button, a share button. Click on that. And what we need is the embed code. Embed code there. Copy all of that. Go back to your lead pages and paste that in and then press done. Okay. Alright, here we've got to put the okay, it's going to tell us to do this. So I just want to wait 1 second because I need to tell you something. I need to show you something else. So just ignore this bit for a minute. I'll probably cut it out of the video anyway. Okay, now let's just cross out of there because what we're going to do is we're going to integrate our form code next. And there's two ways of integrating the form code. One is to actually use an API, which we don't want to do because it'll force you to have a double opt-in. And the other way is to, I'll just show you in here, API integrations or HTML copy and paste. Now, if you don't have anything under here, it means it hasn't been activated in your settings. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump out of here and show you where to do that. So if you go to where your name is up in the right hand corner and go down to integrations, press on get response And here it'll say allow copy and paste. You want to put that on. Okay, so what that actually does is let you copy and paste this HTML code into lead pages. Alright, let's go back to our lead page now. Okay, we'll click on here. Integration settings, we want it to be get response. And see it's got a box here now for the HTML code. So go back to where you had your code, or if you've got it on your notepad. Okay, then we can paste it in here. Okay. Okay, that's only because I put the other one in, so you shouldn't get that warning. Alright, so now we've got this here. Now, you can actually change what's written on the button from up here. So, since in our video we're saying see what our mentor has taught us, we can write let's hear from my mentor, or something like that. You guys can use your imagination. Cross that out, we don't really want that. Okay, now we need to save it again. Let's have a look at what we got. So we've got Jenny, thank you and welcome. We click on here, put an email in. Oh, that button didn't change. Oh, I don't think I saved it. I just want to do a little bit of an adjustment on it. Let's go through to the click here to access. We've got let's hear from my mentor, and then here we can change it to enter your email. For your success system. Again, none of this is set in concrete. You can change it to what you like. Now we want to go back to here. And we want to go to lead page options. No, we don't. Lost it. So also in here we want to change the thank you page. So see it's got the form, integration, header, image, header, text, form, image, header, style. Go down to find the thank you page. And so we don't want to get that silly thank you page that comes up automatically like you did before in the video. We tick the use default thank you page, and then we change that to the page that you want to send them to. So if it's Matt Lloyd's, or in this case it's Jenny, so we're going to use nitava.com. Make sure you press OK to save it. Press OK to save it. You press save. And then you're done. Okay, so now we want to use your masking page. So you'll need to go back to GoDaddy or Namecheap, wherever you set up your masking, and you want to change the link that you had in there to this brand new lead pages link, or if you're using OptimizePress, that link, or if you're using MITS, that lead pages link. Okay, because we want people to go from Instagram to this page and then to the opportunity page. So that's as easy as it is, ladies. At this stage, we're not planning to do the other lead capture pages at this stage, but I'm sure if you've been making pages with your other systems, you'll be able to figure out what you need to do. Okay, well that's it finished. Good luck to everybody. Tried to be as clear as I could. Any issues, just post them in the group and we'll get back to you. Thanks, guys.